Somebody here? Oh, jeez! You scared me. I was just practicing with my swords. But I'm guessing you learned about the unit circle, aren't you? Well, I'll give you a short lesson. So we start off at 0 pi. We move up to pi 6, move up to pi fourths, and then up to pi thirds, and then we stop at pi halves, and that's just one quadrant. You can move them all over the circle, and they're pretty much the same, so... Hi there, Professor Peng here. We start here at 0 pi, move up to pi 6, pi thirds, pi halves, 2 pi thirds, to 2 pi 6, yes, and 2, this is pi right here, and 4 pi thirds, and we have right here is 4 pi 6, 4 pi thirds, actually this is 4 pi 6, sorry for that. This is 2 pi thirds, actually 3 pi halves, so sorry about that. This is 5 pi thirds, move up to here, which is about 11 pi 6, and back up to 2 pi. Now after 2 pi, we have the pi fourths, pi halves again, 3 pi fourths, and back to pi. This is, would be 5 pi fourths, back to, well, 3 pi halves, and back to 7 pi fourths, that would be, and back to 2 pi. Well, this is Professor Peng logging out.
So, as you saw, Professor Peng struggled a little with the unit circle, and this is often as a result of what many Asian families put their children through, forcing them and putting great pressure into their academic efforts and studies, which often results in great stress, and at times like this, they fail to accomplish what they need to.
Back to Professor Peng logging out.
This is Waldo making a special appearance for the unit circle. I'm going to demonstrate it on this pizza here. Alright, so at this is 0 degrees, and here is 30 degrees, or pi 6. Since the radius on the unit circle is 1, that means the ordered pair of this point is 1/2, and this length is root 3 over 2. If you go to pi fourths, which is 45 degrees, the ordered pair is root 2 over 2, root 2 over 2. If you go to pi thirds, which is up to 60 degrees, it's the opposite of pi 6, so the x value is 1/2 and the y value is root 3 over 2. At 90 degrees, or 1/2 pi, the ordered pair is just 0, 1, because the radius is 1, so this point is 0, 1 on the unit circle. And you can just repeat this process for over here and just change the signs for your ordered pairs. So here it would be -1/2 root 3 over 2, negative root 2 over 2, no, negative root 2, and then root 2. And here would be root 3 over 2, negative root 3 over 2, 1/2. And you just repeat that process for the entire unit circle to find any ordered pairs for pi 6, pi fourths, and pi thirds. Alright, here we go, out the door.
Don't do it, Casey.
I need to find pi.
You'll never find it. You know how many people have died?
I don't care. It's important.
You'll never find it. I swear. So, ancient Babylonians would just travel into the forest looking for that magic number pi, just to fill their circles, you know, and a lot of them died trying to search for that, but eventually there was one, and he found that number pi, and he calculated it to about 22 over 7, which isn't very accurate, but it's good enough for me, and that was the beginning of pi, you know? That's how it all started. All them searching for pi, and they die, and it just tears me up, all the lost lives that died trying to find that such a simple number. Can I
I have a moment.
Yeah.
Can't do this.
What tasty.
Don't eat him! Don't eat him! Don't eat him!
Rectangles! Get the fuck to sleep!